Hello friends, welcome to Loxio Tech YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you 5 new features of the Windows 11 25H2 update. After completing the latest 25H2 update, you will get the following 5 latest features for your Windows PC. First, the Copilot voice feature is a new AI feature in the 25H2 update. Now you can do things just by talking to your PC. The second feature is the Copilot Vision. With Copilot Vision, you can search and ask questions by sharing the screen by clicking the glass icon in the new Copilot version. The third feature is with the Paint app. Now you can adjust the opacity of the brush or tool that you used in the Paint app. This will help you to blend layers and shades to get more creative control. The fourth feature is with the Notepad. You can organize your notes by adding headlines, hyperlinks, changing the font sizes and characters, and create lists that are only found in MS Word. This will help you to take control of your writing and bring more structure and clarity to your writing. The fifth feature is the new Phone Link feature. It helps you to stay connected with your Android and iOS devices. You can quickly access your text messages, calls, and data directly from your PC with the help of the Phone Link app. Phone Link app can be directly accessed from the Start menu after the latest 25H2 update. It's finished. Hope you like this video. What's your favorite feature from these 5? Comment your answers. It's finished. If you enjoyed this video, then please make sure to subscribe this channel for more tech and tutorials videos. Also, make sure to hit the bell icon to get the future upload notifications. And leave a comment if you have any suggestions or doubts. Please share with your friends. Thanks for watching. I hope you had a good time. See you in the next video.